Today we're doing a video of our grandpa mowing, and William's here driving a four-wheeler. He's being William driving a four-wheeler, and we're just gonna be going like this. William's back there following me. I'm gonna mow all of this and this. Is this on? Okay. Okay. Right there. He's heading across for the fence. I think I can get clear up to him. He's just gonna mow this side and that side. He's just coming. He's getting finished up with this row. And now I get back in the four-wheeler. And now William, go! And we can catch up to him, but not too fast.
Hi. I gotta turn around though, right here. Watch me switch sides.
We're switching sides. Because we don't want nothing hitting the camera. Now, here's the part that he did. Now, stay like this, Will. Looks like he got a quick hitch on that right there. And like and subscribe. Bye.